Last week's crypto news, May 26th to June 1st, 2025. According to Crypto.news, more than 117 public companies now hold over 800,000 BTC on their balance sheets. That's over $40 billion in Bitcoin. One standout is Trump Media and Technology Group, which just launched a $2.44 billion Bitcoin strategy, backed by 50 institutional investors. They raised $1.5 billion in private stock and $1 billion in convertible notes, aiming to build a corporate Bitcoin treasury just like MicroStrategy did last year. This surge in corporate treasuries shows big-name firms are doubling down on crypto, even as macro signals stay mixed. In Brazil, fintech firm Méliuz filed to raise $26.4 million, about 150 million reais, to buy more Bitcoin. If demand is strong, they could expand that raise to $78 million after their previous $28.4 million Bitcoin purchase. Méliuz now holds exactly 320.3 BTC on their balance sheet. This move signals that Latin American companies are looking to diversify cash reserves into crypto, even at these high price levels. In an unprecedented fundraising push, Trump Media and Technology Group announced it's raised $2.44 billion from 50 institutional investors. That breaks down to $1.5 billion in private stock plus $1 billion in convertible notes. The goal? To mint a corporate Bitcoin treasury following MicroStrategy's blueprint. As Bitcoin hovers around $50,000, this huge influx of capital underscores bullish sentiment from big-name investors, even with volatility looming. Paris Saint-Germain, the UEFA Champions League finalist, confirmed it's now holding Bitcoin on its balance sheet. They began shifting part of their cash reserves into BTC in late 2024, and today they're actively backing Web3 builders via PSG Labs. This makes PSG the first major sports club in the world to adopt a corporate Bitcoin treasury. Imagine the club's iconic blue and red merging with Bitcoin's orange. Football and crypto collide. Payments giant Stripe is reportedly in early talks with banks about integrating stablecoins into traditional finance. This follows their $1.1 billion acquisition of Bridge earlier this year and the rollout of stablecoin accounts in over 100 countries. If Stripe successfully weaves stablecoins into bank rails, merchants could settle instantly in USDC or USDT, instead of waiting days for ACH or wire transfers. This could reshape cross-border payments and give stablecoins a massive on-ramp. Cointelegraph reports that Bitcoin's long-term technical trend template, or OTT indicator, has just triggered for the first time since mid-2024. Historically, when this happens, BTC has often soared to new all-time highs. Right now, analysts say Bitcoin could hit $200,000 in 2025 if the trend persists. As of this week, BTC trades around $50,300, meaning a quadruple up would put it near that $200,000 mark. Keep your eyes on BTC's 200-week moving average. It's setting up for a massive run. Cointelegraph also reports that Ethereum Bulls are aiming for $2,700 ahead of a massive $2.4 billion options expiry on May 30th. Over 97% of put options with strike prices at or below $2,600 will expire worthless if ETH stays above $2,600. Meanwhile, ETH-based ETFs pulled in $287 million of net inflows from May 19th to May 27th, an obvious sign of growing institutional confidence. If ETH holds above $2,600 through the expiry, that could be the catalyst for a push toward $2,700 and beyond. Still on Cointelegraph Solana's total value locked surged 54% to $9.44 billion since April 7th. On-chain metrics show strong deposit growth and a textbook V-shaped recovery pattern on the Sol USD chart points toward a rally to $300. Even though Sol trades around $150 today, if TVL keeps climbing and the market follows historical patterns, $300 is within reach, potentially by the fourth quarter of 2025. A press release on You Today reveals that the Kyrgyz Republic will launch a gold-backed stablecoin called USDKG in the third quarter of 2025. Each USDKG will be pegged to the US dollar but collateralized by physical gold held in government vaults. This move positions Kyrgyzstan as one of the first sovereign states to issue a regulated gold-backed digital currency, blending traditional monetary policy with DeFi innovation. Over on You Today, we see that Ripple's XRP has just landed its first major $10 million corporate acquisition. Hyperscale Data is deploying that $10 million in XRP to build a lending platform for US public companies. To hedge volatility, they'll use CME-listed XRP futures. This is a huge milestone. For the first time, we're seeing large-scale corporate financing and lending denominated in XRP. Keep an eye on how this influences XRP's liquidity and institutional use cases. Finally, You Today reports that if Bitcoin keeps rallying, Satoshi Nakamoto could officially become the world's first trillionaire. Satoshi's address currently holds approximately 1 million BTC, worth about $120.46 billion as of June 1st, 2025. If Bitcoin climbs to $1 million per coin, that wallet would be valued at $1 trillion. Even if BTC only hits $100,000, Satoshi's stash would still be worth $100 billion, keeping them on the richest lists. It's a stark reminder of how one anonymous wallet could reshape the entire wealth hierarchy if BTC continues its bull run. All these news were taken from Crypto.news, Cointelegraph.com, and You Today. If you enjoyed this recap, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Crypto Inspector is out.